This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Nicely upgraded home in Merritt Island with 1-year new air conditioner system. Open floor plan makes great use of space. Bonus/Florida/sun room on the east side of house is a great flex room. Use for dining, extra family room, office etc. The 4-car garage is a rare find. 2 cars wide, 2 cars deep means lots of useful space for vehicles, storage, projects, etc. Rent includes lawn care. Owners will consider pets on a case-by-case basis. If washer/dryer present, they are not warranted for repair or replacement. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.